Stop. Before you swallow another collagen pill, before you spend another $90 on peptide cream, there is a switch inside your body that has been turned off for the last 20 years, and no supplement on this earth can flip it back on. This is healthy Stickman science, and what I am about to tell you is going to make a lot of expensive wellness companies very, very uncomfortable. Your body owns a Nobel Prize winning self-repair system, a system with the documented power to destroy old, broken cells, to dismantle the toxic proteins driving age-related disease, to trigger the production of brand new stem cells from scratch. The science has a name. It is called autophagy, and it earned the Nobel Prize in Medicine in the year 2016. Yet, in roughly 99% of modern adults, this system has been chemically silenced for decades. Not because you are unhealthy, not because you are unlucky, because of one habit you repeat 3 to 6 times every single day: eating. Today, we are going to walk through the exact biochemistry that has been blocking this self-healing mechanism inside your cells. We are going to expose the two opposing molecular sensors fighting for control of your aging right now. And then, I am going to give you the only medically proven protocol that activates this Nobel Prize-winning system, without you spending $1 extra on anything. If you have ever poured serious money into anti-aging supplements and felt absolutely nothing change in the mirror, hit subscribe to Healthy Stickman Science right now and drop the number 1 in the comments below. We are about to flip a switch the entire wellness industry has a financial reason to keep hidden from you. Look, the processed food industry and the supplement industry have spent decades convincing you that eating 5 or 6 small meals a day is the secret to a youthful metabolism. Medically speaking, that advice is a permanent chemical command to your cells that says, keep the garbage, do not clean. Your tissues have been quietly accumulating decades of biological waste, and no powder, no pill, no premium serum on the market can ever clean that up. Inside every single cell of your body, 2 opposing biological switches are fighting for control of how you age. One builds, one cleans. They cannot operate at the same time. The first switch is called mTOR. Think of mTOR as the construction foreman. When mTOR is active, your cells are ordered to grow, divide, and replicate. The second switch is called AMPK. Think of AMPK as the cleanup crew chief. When AMPK is active, your cells stop building anything new and start hunting down damaged parts to dismantle and recycle. Here is the rule that decides which switch is on. Food. Every single time you eat, your blood fills with amino acids and glucose. Insulin rises. Specific amino acids, especially one called leucine, bind directly to a protein complex called mTORC1 and switch on the construction foreman. Your cells receive the order: build, grow, multiply. The cleanup crew gets sent home. Autophagy is suspended within minutes. Now stop eating. Just stop. Within hours, your blood amino acid levels drop. Your insulin drops. Your cellular ATP, the energy currency of your cells, starts to fall. AMPK senses this drop instantly and lights up. The cleanup crew chief takes command of the cell. According to research published in Nature Cell Biology, AMPK directly inhibits mTOR and initiates the formation of cellular structures called phagophores, which are essentially garbage bags built from scratch inside your cells. These garbage bags then transform into something called lysosomes. And this is where it gets fascinating. Lysosomes are tiny biological hunters filled with digestive enzymes. They move through your cells and physically swallow whole damaged organelles, misfolded proteins that have lost their proper shape, and a particularly dangerous type of cell called senescent cells. You may have heard the term zombie cells. That is exactly what senescent cells are. They are cells that should have died years ago, but stopped dying. They cannot divide. They cannot perform their job. They just sit in your tissue, leaking inflammatory chemicals into the cells around them, accelerating the aging of every healthy neighbor nearby. Research published in Cell has shown that the accumulation of senescent cells is one of the primary drivers of biological aging itself. When AMPK activates autophagy, your lysosomes hunt these zombie cells down and dissolve them into recyclable amino acids. Your tissues get cleaner. Your inflammation drops. You begin aging in reverse at the cellular level. Now here is what frustrates me about the modern wellness industry. Expensive clinics are selling you anti-aging IV drips packed with vitamins and amino acids and peptides for hundreds of dollars per session. The marketing claim is that you are flooding your body with the building blocks of youth. Medically speaking, you are pouring premium construction materials into a building that has not been cleaned in 20 years. The walls are still rotting. The pipes are still corroded. You have just made the trash heap more expensive. You cannot build new tissue on top of cellular garbage. You have to take the garbage out first. And the only way to take it out is to stop feeding the construction foreman. So now you understand the war between mTOR and AMPK. The next question is, why has your AMPK been silenced for years? 3 specific biochemical barriers are jamming the system right now. Once you see them clearly, you will know exactly what to remove from your day to flip this switch back on. Barrier number 1. The constant presence of amino acids in your blood. This one will shock you. You do not need a full meal to shut down autophagy. You do not even need a snack. All you need is a tiny taste of protein, a handful of nuts, a spoonful of yogurt, a single sip of bone broth. The moment any meaningful amount of branched-chain amino acids enter your bloodstream, particularly leucine, they bind to the mTORC1 protein complex. Within minutes, the cleanup mechanism shuts off completely. A study published in Cell Metabolism demonstrated that leucine alone can activate mTOR signaling at concentrations as low as 1/10 of what a normal meal provides. This is why the so-called fasting-friendly supplement industry has been quietly lying to you for years. Bone broth fasts, BCAA fasts, collagen sipping fasts, cream in your coffee, even a single bite of cheese. They all break autophagy. The cleanup crew gets sent home the moment those compounds touch your tongue. You have been paying premium prices to interrupt your own cellular healing without knowing it. Even more deceptive examples are flooding the market right now. The lemon water with a few drops of stevia, the collagen peptide stick mixed into hot water, the bulletproof coffee with grass-fed butter and MCT oil. Many of these are aggressively marketed as fasting-friendly because they do not contain traditional sugars. The biology disagrees. Anything that creates a measurable insulin response or delivers any meaningful dose of amino acids to your bloodstream activates mTOR within minutes. The marketing exists because the biochemical truth is bad for business. Your cells cannot read the marketing label. They only respond to what arrives in your bloodstream. Barrier number 2. Chronic insulin resistance from carbohydrate snacking. Every single time you snack on carbohydrates throughout the day, your insulin rises. Every time. The candy at 3 p.m., the fruit at 5 p.m., the crackers at 8 p.m., the orange juice at breakfast. Your pancreas keeps firing insulin again and again into a system that has slowly stopped listening properly. When this happens for years, your AMPK sensor goes numb. Picture a smoke alarm that has been beeping for so long you no longer hear it. The fire is real. The smoke is real. But the alarm has just become background noise. Your cells become biochemically deaf to the very signal that should activate cleanup. Even when you finally fast, even when your blood sugar finally drops, the AMPK alarm fires weakly and your lysosomes barely activate. Research published in Aging Cell has confirmed that chronic insulin resistance directly suppresses AMPK signaling and dramatically reduces autophagic flux. This is exactly why some people try 16-hour fasting and see almost no change in their bodies. Their AMPK has gone partially deaf from years of metabolic abuse. The fasting is working. The receivers are simply too damaged to respond fully. These people need longer fasting windows, stronger metabolic stress, and weeks of consistent rebuilding before their cleanup system can fully reactivate. Barrier number 3. The destruction of slow-wave sleep. This is the silent destroyer of your brain. Your brain has its own dedicated cleanup system called the glymphatic system. It functions like a microscopic sewage network specifically built to flush waste proteins out of your neural tissue. And here is the critical part. The glymphatic system only operates during deep sleep, specifically during the stage called slow-wave sleep. Late screen time, blue light exposure, caffeine in the afternoon, phone notifications next to your pillow. Any of these chronic stressors suppress the release of melatonin from your pineal gland. According to research published in Science, the glymphatic system reduces its waste clearance activity by more than 60% when slow-wave sleep is disrupted. Without that nightly flush, a sticky waste protein called amyloid beta begins to accumulate inside your brain tissue, plaque by plaque. This is the same protein clinically associated with the development of Alzheimer's disease. And the most disturbing part of this research is the timeline. Amyloid beta plaques begin building up decades before any cognitive symptoms appear. By the time someone notices memory problems in their 60s or 70s, the plaque burden has already been accumulating for 20 or 30 years of poor sleep. Your sleep tonight is not just about feeling rested tomorrow. It is determining the cellular cleanliness of your brain when you reach age 60, 70, 80. 3 barriers. 3 systems silenced. And here is the cruel pattern almost nobody connects. They reinforce each other. Constant snacking blocks daytime autophagy. Insulin resistance numbs the cleanup signal. Disrupted sleep prevents nighttime brain cleaning. So your cellular garbage piles up around the clock with no break. You wake up tired. You eat snacks for energy. You stay up late on screens. And the cycle continues for years until you look in the mirror one day and wonder when you got so old. This is not aging. This is failure to clean. Now let us turn this biology into something you can actually do. 3 steps. Real, repeatable, completely free. Step 1. The minimum fasting window of 16 to 24 hours. This is non-negotiable. Pure water fasting. Around the 16-hour mark, AMPK starts firing seriously. Around the 24-hour mark, mTOR is fully suppressed and autophagy is running at peak intensity, particularly inside your gut lining and your liver tissue. During this entire window, anything containing calories breaks the protocol instantly. Bone broth breaks it. BCAA powders break it. Collagen sipping breaks it. Cream in your coffee breaks it. Even artificial sweeteners can break it through insulin response. The only things permitted are plain water, mineral salts, pure green tea, and black coffee with absolutely nothing added. Step 2. Mechanical glycogen depletion through fasted training. While you are fasting, perform high-intensity interval training or heavy resistance training. This is the secret weapon almost no one uses. Mechanical exercise drains the glycogen stored inside your muscle cells directly. The ratio of AMP to ATP inside your cells spikes dramatically. AMPK activates many hours faster than it would from passive fasting alone. According to research published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine, fasted exercise amplifies autophagic flux several-fold compared to fasting at rest. Step 3. The strategic refeed phase. Here is the part most people get completely wrong. The actual rejuvenation does not happen during the fast itself. It happens at the precise moment you break the fast. Once autophagy has cleared the cellular garbage, your refeed sends a precise hormonal signal that activates stem cell production from dormant tissue reserves. According to research published in Nature, prolonged fasting followed by strategic refeeding triggers the activation of dormant stem cells throughout the body. To take full advantage of this window, your first meal must be high-quality animal protein and natural fats. Not ultra-processed grains, not sugar. Wild-caught salmon, pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed beef, avocado, olive oil. This is the moment you give your cells the clean materials to rebuild from. Critical medical warning. Extended fasting depletes your electrolytes faster than most people realize. Plasma volume drops. Cellular osmotic pressure shifts. To prevent dizziness, heart palpitations, or cardiovascular stress, you must add sodium, potassium, and magnesium to your water throughout the entire fasting window. This is not optional. This is the difference between a safe biological reset and a dangerous one. If you have any cardiovascular condition, kidney disease, diabetes, or take medications affecting blood pressure or blood sugar, work with your healthcare provider before attempting any extended fast. Cellular rejuvenation is not something you buy from an expensive clinic. It is not packaged inside a chemical capsule. It is not waiting for you in a $200 serum or a quarterly subscription box. It is a built-in survival function written into your DNA from the day you were born, and it has been patiently waiting for you to stop eating long enough so it can finally start healing. Think about everything we covered today. You learned that your body owns a Nobel Prize winning self-repair system called autophagy. You learned that two opposing molecular sensors, mTOR and AMPK, are constantly fighting over whether your cells build or clean. You learned that constant snacking, insulin resistance, and disrupted sleep are the three barriers silencing your cleanup mechanism. You learned that the wellness industry profits from your confusion while the actual solution is completely free. And you learned the exact three-step protocol that activates this entire system: a 16 to 24-hour fast, fasted training, and a clean refeed. The mechanism is clear. The activation is sitting in your hands right now. The only question remaining is your decision. Are you ready to close your kitchen for the next 16 hours so your cells can finally take out 20 years of accumulated trash? Comment, "I can do it," below to lock in your commitment. I want to read every single one of them. Hit that like button if this video showed you something the wellness industry has been hiding from you for years. Subscribe to Healthy Stickman Science so you do not miss the next breakdown of the body's hidden healing systems. Share this with one person you love who has been wasting money on supplements that cannot reach the real problem. Always work with your healthcare provider before starting any extended fast, especially if you take medications, have a chronic condition, or are pregnant or breastfeeding. Never stop any prescribed medication based on this video alone. Your cells have been waiting. Stop feeding them garbage and let the system that won a Nobel Prize do exactly what it was designed to do. Stay sharp, and I will see you in the next one.